let us do some weather. Let's do some weather. So, the sign for weather is wind. It's the sign for wind. I've also seen it represented by another. I can't remember. I know it, and I have been taught it as being the same as the sign for wind. So weather. The weather today. So we could have rain. We could have snow, which is light rain. It could be wet or damp. Wet, damp. It could be dry. Dry. Down with our fingers around our throat here. Dry. And that's also the same as the sign for thirsty, because our throat is dry. Okay. Windy. Windy. Foggy. Foggy. Palms away. Getting in the way of everything. Foggy. Cloudy. Very similar, but cloudy. Cloudy. More circular motions, like curly bits of a cloud in a cartoon. Think Simpsons clouds. Cloudy. I think that's how they're done in that. Okay. Sunny is the sun on us. Sunny. Sunny. Okay. The temperature could be hot. Hot. Cold. Cold. It could be warm, which is a little double tap on our chin. Warm. It could be freezing, and this is also the sign for ice and frost. Freezing, ice, frost. Ice cream, incidentally, but that'll come later. Okay. And there are varying degrees of all of these weathers. I'm going to find the rest of my weather words, because it could be a little bit rainy, or it could be really rainy. And so we can change our weather signs to suit. So for example, it could be windy, or it could be really windy, or it could be blustery, which is wind that's kind of going in all directions and knocking you about. So windy, blustery. It could be a little bit rainy, or it could be drizzly, which is a little bit lighter, drizzly, or it could be really, really, really rainy. Okay? Good. Within that, it could be stormy generally, which is just lots of wind. That's general storm sign. And we could have a blizzard with our snow. That is blizzard everywhere. Blizzard. Very similar to stormy, but starting with snow and showing it through, getting worse, but starting with snow. Okay, where are we at? Yeah, so for windy we could have windy, we could have blustery, we could have breezy, which is just a little bit of wind, breezy. It could be bright, bright, and that is the sun, but you're hurt by the light because it's so bright. And you could do that actually with two hands, bright, but I tend to do it with one. Okay, the sky could be clear, which is our left hand or non-dominant hand palm like this, and our right hand away. Clear, clear. A clear blue sky. But we haven't done blue yet, so I'll get to that very soon. Okay. We could have floods, which is when the water level rises. Floods. Floods. And if it's really stormy, we could have lightning. So lightning is lightning. Lightning. If you imagine the lightning strike symbol, it's along, up, down, lightning. Lightning. Yeah? Lightning. Okay. This is good. Where are we at now? Ah, hail. This is a nice one. It's like little parts of a Q are OK signs again. And it's going to go hail. Hail. Yeah. Nice. Those are all of my weather signs, I think. Oh no, there's one more. Hurricane. We can have a hurricane. Because, you know, they go in their little spirally patterns. Hurricane. Which is just a lot of wind, but with the hurricane shape. Okay, nice. That's the end of my weather.